Hello children, how are you? Hope you all will be fun and studying in your home. I am your computer teacher, Dipti Varman. In today's class, I will teach you the first chapter of computer, history of computer. So listen carefully and try to understand. History of computers. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device created by the Charles Babbage. Computers can process huge amount of data very quickly and display accurate results. A computer is made up of three main parts: the input unit, the processing unit, and the output unit. What is an abacus? Abacus is a simple frame with rows of beads used for calculating large math problems. The abacus. It is an ancient counting board used in Babylon, China, Europe, still in use today in Africa, India, and Asia. The Pascaline. Pascaline is a mechanical calculating device invented by the French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal in 1642. Napier's bones. Napier's bones is a manually operated calculating device created by John Napier of Merchiston, Scotland, for the calculation of products and quotients of numbers. The method was based on a lattice multiplication and also called rhabdology, a word invented by Napier. Charles Babbage invented a machine called difference engine in 1822. It was the first mechanical computer which was able to calculate mathematical tables. It was able to do calculations accurately up to 20 decimal places. Analytical engine. Analytical engine was designed by Charles Babbage in 1833. The machine was not completed, but modern computers are based on Babbage's original design. Hermann Hollerith, a mechanical engineer, developed a fast computing machine called tabulating machine. This machine used punched cards to record, arrange, and store data. The machine was used for statistics. Mark I was built by a team from IBM and Harvard University. Mark I used mechanical telephone switches to store information. It accepted data on punched cards, processed it, and then output the new data. The ENIAC was the first US-built all-electronic computer built to perform ballistics calculation. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was built in 1946 in the United States. It helped design weapons. ENIAC used vacuum tubes and valves for computing and sending electrical signals. EDVAC stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. This machine used the method of storing programs. This was smaller in size and worked faster. UNIVAC 1 stands for Universal Automatic Computer. This was the first commercial computer. It was designed by Mauchly and Eckert in 1951. So, this video is finished. Thank you.